ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We have to see the last three sentences, right? Vah yaha rahe. Who was doing that? Okay, you forgot? Okay, anybody? 20.
सः अत्र भविष्यति.
Okay, that is lot lakara. Lot or vidhiling, either one we can use. What is the
भविष्यति भविष्येत्.
Why bhavishyet?
रहे
No. The lot lakara form is what?
Bhavatu.
भवतु.
Bhavatu. Yes. If it is as dhatu, then astu, syat. Both forms can come. Next one. Anybody?
It will be tvam. Tvam tatra. Should we say? As would be. Tum wahan rehna is like you stay there. So lot.
Yes.
So it says edhi.
Yes.
So
Edhi or syat or syaha. Syaha is vidhiling. Syat is also lot. Okay, next one. Who will do Umama or Shivananji?
मैं यही हूँ. The meaning is may I remain here. Is that the meaning? So it's lot, right? Uttama Purusha. So can I say aham atra bhavani?
Yes.
Okay.
If it is as dhatu, syam or asani, we can use both. Lot vidhiling. Okay. Now we are going to see 25th chapter. Sakhi. Sakhi means friend. Shatika. Shatika is sari. Taraswarena. Taraswarena is saying loudly or high pitch. Bru means to speak. Uchaihi, loudly. Here they have given three meanings. up, and then what is its second meaning?
Uncha is loud.
Loud. Okay.
No,
Third one is also saying loud. Third one,
Yeah,
right?
loud in loud voice. That's how I think it is.
Uh-huh.
Ucha also means high. The next
High.
one is Uche Swar se.
Uh-huh. High. Right. Next, nichaihi. Nichaihi means down and low voice and the opposite of the loud. What is the word?
Softly. Softly. I think.
One meaning is down and one meaning is lower and one meaning is this swara is swara
Soft
is
voice.
slow down. Soft voice. Okay. Next is sundaram means beautiful. Samichinam, good. Shobhanam, also beautiful. Madhuram, sweet. Sheetalam, cold. Ushnam, heat. Komalam. Komalam is soft. Soft or
Yes, soft or tender, both are correct.
tender. Okay. But in Hindi also komal, in Telugu also komalam, Sanskritam also komalam, so we don't have it. Tikshnam. Tikshnam means one meaning they have given is teja means fire. It's not like fire.
Can we say sharp?
Shiny.
No? Can we say sharp?
What is that?
The meaning we use as sharp, somebody with sharp intellect, like Sutikshna ji.
Yes, sharp intellect. Sharp in that sense we can use, and another is very difficult, that's hard, soft and hard. When we say opposite of soft, komalam is soft, na tikshnam is hard, means kathora, terrible. What did you say? Tikshnam means the use for intellect.
I use sharp, like
Sharp.
like a spear or something. I don't know if we use Tikshna for that. I don't.
For what?
The spear or any weapon with the sharp, pointy. Is that called Tikshna or not?
That is Kshurasya Dhara.
Acha. Okay, that is sharp sword. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, the other meaning they've given is tikha. That means very spicy.
Bitter. Spicy tikha. Okay.
Hot, like we say in Tamil, we say
Like
karam.
hot pepper.
Okay. Swakiyaha. Swakiyaha means yours. Swakiyaha means own. Sorry, not yours, own. Are mine. Parakiyaha, strangers. Tvadiyaha means your. Madiyaha, my.
Yeah, just a question. Swakiya generally, when I do something for myself also, right? For me, kind of. Is that also correct?
For me, no, not in that sense.
Not for me. Okay.
Swakiyaha means like body is there, na? Swakiyam shariram.
My own.
own
Okay.
body. My own body, like that. Parakiyaha means it is other. Parakiyaha shariraha, others' body, like that.
Okay, thank you.
Tvadiyaha, yours. Madiyaha, mine. This Madiyaha came anywhere?
Madiyam Shariram. Madiyam. I think Tattva both it comes.
Yes. Their Jivan Mukta Lakshanas.
Yes.
Bhagavan Bhashikara says.
Forgotten completely.
Their Bhashikara says, how I am so comfortable to say Madiyam Shariram, Madiyaha Pranaha, Madiyaha Buddhihi. That way I should say Aham Brahma. In that sense, in that context, Bhagavan Bhashikara used. Madiyam Shariram is my body. Bhavadiyaha, yours. Tadiyaha, his. Shwetaha, white. Haritaha, green. Neelaha, blue. Pitaha, yellow. Raktaha, red. Krishnaha, black. This Neela, I think I don't remember whether in Hindi or in Sanskrit, also used for black color. In Nyaya, I think.
Yes, in Sanskrit we use it for black. Neel.
Okay. Sakhi Shabda. This is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Sakhi Shabda also is there Dirgha Ikaranta Pullinga and Strilinga. In 3 ways it is there. Shabda Patha. Ikaranta Pullinga is now they have given. Ikaranta Pullinga is there, Ikaranta Strilinga is there, Sakhi Shabda. For now, we are going to see only Ikaranta Shabda. Okay. Who will decline? Shivananji, can you decline?
Okay. Sakhayau, Sakhayah, Sakhayam, Sakhayau, Sakhin, Sakhya, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhi, Sakhe, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhyah, Sakyuhu, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhyah, Sakyuhu, Sakyoho, Sakhinam, Sakyau, Sakyoho, Sakhishu, He Sakhe, He Sakhayo, He Sakhayo, He Sakhayah.
Anywhere this Sakha Shabda came? You may not know, but others may know. Sakha Shabda. Have you heard anywhere? Means in Shastra. I'll give you a clue. In Bhagavad.
Sayuja Sakhaya.
Sayuja Sakhaya. There, Sakhaya is Sayuja. Could be Strilinga. Sakha. In Bhagavatam it comes.
Abhigyata Sakha, right?
Yes.
Puranjana.
Okay. Then next, what is there? Sakhi. Shatika. Shatika is Strilinga Shabda, like Rama Shabda. Aparnaji, can you declare? You want me to open or you don't need?
If you can please open to I'm having net connection problems today, so
Oh, okay.
I mean I can. Okay. Rama, sorry. I was declining Sakha Sakhi
No, not
Sorry.
Sakhi Shabda. Shatika.
Shatika. Sorry. Shatika, Shatike, Shatikaha, Shatikam, Shatike, Shatikaha, Shatikaya, Shatikabhyam, Shatikabhi,
Shatika.
Shatikabhi, Shatikayai, Shatikabhyam, Shatikabhyah, Shatikayah, Shatikabhyam, Shatikabhyah, Shatikabhyah, Shatikabhyai,
Shatika.
Shat, Shati. Sorry, what did you say, Punaji?
Shatika Yaha.
Shatikayaha, Shatikayoho, Shatikayanam, Shatikayam, Shatikayoho, Shatikatsu, He Shatike, He Shatike, He Shatikaha.
Next, Brudhatu. Will decline Brudhatu.
तारस्वरेण अव्ययशब्दम्
Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. If it is Avyaya, it would give later. It is just Akaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Which one? I thought Dhru was Dhatu, right?
Yes, Bru is Dhatu. Before that, Taraswarena.
Oh, okay. So you said Akaranta
Pullinga Shabda.
Linga. Okay.
I'm saying
so-
because they have given in the ka. That's why I'm saying. But
Oh.
we'll see. When we see the Vakyas, there we can find out.
It says here Taraswarena. Isn't that Tritiya Vibhakti?
No, it is not Tritiya.
Oh, it is not Taraswara and Taraswarena. It doesn't go. Pratipadikam is Taraswarena.
I am assuming Pratipadika is Taraswarena.
Okay, thank you.
Bru Dhatu Vyaktayam Vachi. So now Swamiji has shifted into this original dhatus and meanings. So far he used to ask this dhatu only. We were so comfortable. Now Brui Vyaktayam Vachi. And you all got the title. Initial Lagu students. Okay. Who will decline? Vijayaji, you can decline.
लट्लकार बृहदातु आहा ब्रवीति आहतुः ब्रूतः आहुः ब्रुवन्ति आत्था ब्रवीषि आहतुः ब्रूतः ब्रूता ब्रवीमि ब्रूवः ब्रूमः.
Anusha is there?
No, I think.
Okay, continue.
Litlakara. Uvacha. Uchatuhu. Uchuhu. Uvakta, right?
Yes.
Uvakta. Uvachita. Uvachita. Uchatuhu. Ucha. Uvacha. Uvacha. Uchiva. Uchima. Lutlakara. Vakta. Vaktarau. Vaktaraha. Vaktasi. Vaktastaha. Vaktastha. Vaktasmi. Vaktasvaha. Vaktasmaha. Lutlakara. Vakshyati. Vakshataha. Vaksyanti. Vakshyasi. Vakshataha. Vakshyata. Vakshyami. Vakshyavaha. Vakshyamaha. Lotlakara. Bravit. Bruthat. Bruthad. Brutam.
No,
Bruvantu.
bravitu. First one, bravitu.
Bravitu. Bruthat. Brutam. Bruvantu. Bruthad. Bruhi. Brutam. Bruta. Bravani. Bravava. Bravama. Lang lakara.
Next. Prabhaji, can you continue from Langlakara?
Sure. Abravit, abraved. Both don't need to be said, you said, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Abravit, abrutam, abruvan. Abravihi, brutam, abrut. Abravam, abruva, abrum. The Atmanepadi would be bruvit, bruviyatam, bruvi.
No. Continue the
Only
Parasmepadi.
Parasmepadi? Okay, sorry.
Then we can go to
So Ashirlinga is
Vidhiling.
Sorry.
Vidhiling.
Next, Vidhiling. Right.
Hmm.
Bruyat, bruyatam, bruyuhu. Bruyaha, bruyatam.
Bruyatam. Bruyatam.
Yeah, I always do this. Okay. Bruyatam, bruyat, bruyam, bruyava, bruyama. Then Ashirling. Uchyat, uchyastam, uchyasuhu, uchyaha, uchyastam, uchyasta, uchyasam, uchyasva, uchyasma. Lunglakar. Avochat, avochatam, avochan, avochaha, avochatam, avochata, avocham, avochavaha, avochava, avochama. Ringlakar is avakshyat, avaksyatam, avaksyan, avaksyaha, avaksyatam. Can you say that?
Avakshyata.
Yeah, I hadn't come to the avakshata.
That you said correct only. Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam, you said correct.
Avakshatam. Then avakshata. Avaksham, avakshava, avakshama.
Okay, next. Shivananji.
Okay.
Shivananji. Atmanepadi. Are you there?
Yes, Amma. The phone got stuck up actually.
Oh.
Amma, which one, Amma?
Atmanepade lat lakara.
Okay, Amma. Bhrute, bhrute, bhruvate, bhruvate, bhrushe, bhruvat, bhruvate, bhrudve, dhruve, bhruvahe, bhrumahe.
Hmm.
Then Atmanepada, litlakara. Uche, uchate, uchira, uchire, uchishe, uchathe, uchidve, uche, ऊचे, ऊचीवहे, ऊचीमहे.
Not uchivahe, uchivahe, uchimahe.
ऊचीवहे, ऊचीवहे, ऊचीमहे.
This uchire, this litlakara prathama bahuvachanam, this comes in Bhagavatam many times. Okay, continue.
लुट्लकार, आत्मनेपद, वक्ता, वक्तारौ, वक्तारः, वक्तासे, वक्तासाथे, वक्ताद्वे, वक्ताहे, वक्तास्वहे, वक्तास्महे. लृट्लकार, आत्मनेपद, वक्ष्यते, वक्ष्येते, वक्ष्यन्ते, वक्ष्यसे, वक्ष्येथे, वक्षद्वे, वक्ष्ये, वक्ष्यावहे, वक्ष्यामहे. लोट लकार, ब्रूताम, ब्रूवाताम, ब्रूवताम, ब्रूष्व, ब्रूवाथाम, ब्रूध्वाम, ब्रूवै,
Bravai.
ब्रवै, ब्रवावहै, ब्रवामहै. लंग लकार,
Uma amma.
आत्मनेपद.
Uma amma vellu.
Okay. Kartari lang lakar atmanepadam. Abruta, abruvatam, abruvata. Abruthaha, abruvatham, abrudhvam. Abruvi, abruvahi, abrumahi. Vidhiling nakara. Bruvita, bruviyatam, bruviran. Bruvithaha, bruviyatham, bruvidhvam. Bruviya, bruvivahi, bruvimahi. Ashirling lakar. Vashisht, vakshisht, vakshiyastam, vakshiran, vakshishtaha, vakshiyastham, vakshidhvam, vakshiya, vakshivahi, vakshimahi. Lung lakara. Avochata, avochetam, avochanta. Avochathaha, avocetham, avochadhvam. Avoche, avochavahi, avochamahi. Ring lakara. Avakshata, avakshetam, avakshanta. Avakshyathaha, avakshyetham, avakshadhvam. Avakshe, avakshavahi, avakshyamahi.
Anybody remembered? Oh, sorry.
No, I had a quick question. The
Yes.
uchire was, that was lit lakara. There is another word, uvacha. Is that a different dhatu? Do you know what?
Here.
No, not here. Uvacha has has a different dhatu, right? It's not bru dhatu anymore.
Uvacha is brudhatu only, na? Lit.
Oh, so it comes in lit, parasmai padam?
Lit parasmai pada.
I missed that. So Uvacha is Parasmaipadam, Ekavachanam, and Uchire is Bahuvachanam.
Atmanepadi. That is Atmanepadi.
Atmanipadi and Paras. Okay. Yeah, I missed that. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody remember what is the dhatu here? It is braviti, brutaha, bruvanti. Instead of aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu, atha, ahatuhu. What is the sutra?
Bruvah panchanamadito aho bruvah.
Bruvaha panchanamadito aho bruvaha. They have not given. How they did not give anything. This is the sutra. Bruvaha panchanam adita aho bruvaha. Many times Swamiji said this in the class. Bru dhatu. In lat lakara. Parasmaipadi. First 5 pratyayas. Aditanam pancha pratyayanam means first 5 pratyayas. In lat lakara, all 9 pratyayas are there. In that first 5 pratyayas. Tiptasji, siptastha, tiptasji, siptas. In these 5 places, anal, atus, us, thal, athus. These pratyayas will come. When these pratyayas comes, then ete adeshaha bhavanti. Tatacha bru dhatoho aha adeshaha bhavati. At that time, aha will come. Instead of bru, aha will come. This is optional. That's why both forms are there. Aha is there. Another form is what? Braveti. So in all these 5, aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu, atha, ahatuhu. These 5 pratyayas are comes by that sutra. Bruvaha panchanam adito, adita ahu bruvaha. Now, these are not required to decline. We'll go to niyamas. Dirgha guna vriddhi samprasaranam. Okay, this samprasar. Dirgha guna vriddhi. All these things you know, right?
Yes.
They have given here. See, dirgha means a, I, u, r. Ru, u, ru are dirgha. Swara means all these letters. Guna means a, o. Actually, ar is not the guna. There is another sutra, Uran Raparaha, by that this rakara will come. But when we say guna, a, o, these three letters are guna. I will highlight here. These three are Vriddhi. A, I, Au are Vriddhi. Yan means Yavarala, that we know. Ayadi, I, Au, Au. These are these sutras also. Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi. Vriddhi Sandhi we may not say. Yana Sandhi Visa. Ayadi Sandhi also Visa. They have just given, they are not explaining the sutras, they have just given what are the guna, what are the vriddhi letters, what are the yan letters, and ayadi letters. Samprasarana. Samprasarana means, what is ik? Ik means what? Ik pratyahara.
Ivu, roon, room.
Yan means?
Yavarala.
Yavarala. So, generally when we do Ikoyanachi Sutra, what we will do is, in the place of ik, we will replace the yan. When samprasarana comes, happens, at that time, yan is replaced by ik. Yan means yavarala. Yavarala will be replaced by ivurulru. I'll write here. Igyanaha samprasaranam. This is the sutra. Igyanaha samprasaranam. Yan varnasya sthane. In the place of yan varna. Vidhiyamanaha. Ik varna. Samprasaranam namna jnayate. In the place of one letter.
Okay. This is Sutra number 1145. Is that the one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Here I have written number also. Yan, in the place of yan, ik will be replaced. That is called samprasaranam. Ya is there. We have to replace it as e. Va is there. We have to replace with u. Ra will be replaced by
Ru.
ru. La,
No.
Ru.
ru. This ru. This ya, va, ra, la will be replaced by e, vu, rul, ru. That is called samprasaranam. Igyanaha samprasaranam. In bru dhatu, this samprasaranam happens. In some places, like no, it is directly Ata Upadhaya. See here, vach is there, va is there. Va has replaced into u. They have not given the sutra. I think if we look at all the steps, then we may find. They have not given the sutra, but this va has replaced with the u by igyanaha samprasaranam, by that sutra. That is samprasaranam. Then next, swadibhyaha shnuhu. How many ganas we have seen so far? Do you remember?
4.
Four. What are the?
Bhavadi,
Bhadigana.
then Juhodi Gana,
Adadi
then
Gana,
Adadi Gana.
Divadi Gana.
Order. It should be order.
Divadivana.
I thought the second we did was Juhodi. Is it?
Second gana is adadigana.
Okay.
Second, first one is vadigana,
Vadidigana, Adadigana, Juhodigana, and then
juhotyadigana. Next, divadigana.
Deva.
Next, divadigana. These 4 weeks. Divadibhyaha shan. What is the vadigana vikarana pratyaya?
Shyan.
Shap.
Shap.
Shap. Adadigana?
Shap.
Shap and then the lopa happens. So
Juhotyadigana?
Shyam.
Shap Lopa.
Shap gets lopa. Divadigana?
Shyam.
Shan. Now, fifth gana is swadigana. In this swadigana, shnu is the vikarana pratyaya. सार्वधातुके कर्तरि प्रत्यये परे स्वादिगणस्य धातोः परः श्नु प्रत्ययः विधीयते. This leave it for now. What is sarvadhatuka, ardhadhatuka? Did I explain what is sarvadhatuka and ardhadhatuka?
Yes, ma'am.
What is sarvadhatuka? Sarvadhatuka?
The tin and shap, which includes Bhakatya, that is called Sarvadhatu.
Ting or shit. Shakara, itsanya, pratyaya or ting pratyaya. If it is there, then it is called sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Then sarvadhatuke kartari pratyaya means it should be kartari, not karmani or bhave pratyaya. And dhatu belongs to swadigana. Then that dhatu will get shnu as the pratyaya, vikarana pratyaya. This shui abhishave is swadigana dhatu, first dhatu. Swadigana means su adi. When we split it, su adi. Su means the original dhatu is shui abhishave. This is the dhatu and meaning. Abhishave is the meaning. Shui is the dhatu. This shui dhatu, shakara becomes sakara. In all original dhatus, whatever original dhatu is there, in that if there is adi shakara is there, that adi shakara becomes sakara. In any dhatu, if first letter is murdhanya shakara, then that shakara will change into sakara by the sutra Dhatvadehe shaha saha, by this sutra. Dhatvadehe shaha saha. Su, it becomes su by Dhatvadehe shaha saha. Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Could you repeat one more time, please?
Okay. Okay, let me write here in this. Dhatvadehe shaha saha. In any dhatu, in the beginning of the dhatu, Murdhanya Shakara, if it is there, then that Shakara will change into Sakara. Like this is the Shri is the dhatu. In this, what is the first letter?
Shakara.
Murdhanya Shakara. So that Murdhanya Shakara will change into Sakara. Is this the niyama only for Shri dhatu or any other dhatus? Any other dhatu which beginning with the Murdhanya Shakara, then that Murdhanya Shakara will be replaced by Dantya Sakara. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So here our main topic is Swadibhyaha Shnuhu. But the original dhatu is Shri Abhishave. This Shri becomes Su. Now we have to bring Su plus Tip. Tip pratyaya we have to bring. Then Su plus plus Shnu is the Vikarana pratyaya. Shnu plus Tip. Su plus Ukara. Ukara gets Lopa by which sutra? Anybody remember? Means in this 3 letters are there. Shakara is there. Nakara is there. Ukara is there. Plus Tip. I think Ukara won't get Lopa. Ukara won't get Lopa, but Shakara will get Lopa. Nu will be as it is. Here itself I will split as Nu only. Shakara will get Lopa. By which sutra? Lashakva Taddite.
That's it.
Plus Tip. Then this Ukara will get Guna. When Ukara gets Guna, what happens?
Ukara changes to Vakara.
Vakara?
Okay.
Okara.
Okara.
Okara, sorry.
Yes, Okara. Plus Tip. By Sarvadhatuka Ardhadhatuka Yoho. By this sutra, this ukara gets okara. That I think we have seen earlier and we'll see later. So here our main prayojanam is shnu. This swadigana will get shnu as the vikarana pratyaya. So whenever nakara is there, then we can understand this is swadigana dhatu. So what is the prayojanam of these vikaranas? Based on these ganas, forms will change. Like in bhudhatu, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti is there. Now sunoti, here form is different. Like that, forms will change based on ganas. Is this clear?
Is Sunoti a word? I haven't heard it. So
Sunoti is pada. Dhatu is su.
is Shui? Oh, okay. What does it mean?
Means to listen.
To listen. Okay.
Sorry, not to listen. There are many meanings. To extract, to bath, to distill, to juice, to agitate, to churn.
Okay. I only heard of Shrunoti, so that is why I was asking.
That is
Okay.
true dhatu.
Yeah, Shru is different. Yes.
Mhm.
Noti. Thank you.
Sunoti. This may comes in this Sagar Mathanam. In that context, it may come in Bhagavatam. Churning. Okay, next. Another niyama is etat tadoho sulopo. This niyama, etat tadoho sulopaha akura nai samase hali. Akoho anai samase hali. When etat, and everybody knows this, sutra may not know, but rule everybody knows. After etat and tad shabda, if it is there, then that visarga gets lopa. Means etat tad, after there is no visarga, but saha, eshaha is there. After saha and eshaha, anywhere have you seen visarga? In Bhashya, Tika, Tippanis?
No.
That is Visarga gets lopa by this sutra. So Saha Sa Ramaha Eshaha Esha Devadattaha. Not Krishna, Devadattaha. If I say Krishna, then it won't. Visarga will won't get lopa. Nai samasam vihaya. Nai samasam. Nai samasam means like Atma is there. For Atma, if we want to write in Nai samasa, An-Atma is Anatma. That is Nai samasa. Means quite opposite meaning will come when we use Nai samasa. Atma, Anatma. Any other example? Saguna aguna. Like that, all opposite, that akara leda akara or an will come at the beginning when we use nai samasa. Vihaya means not taking this nai samasa, not in the nai samasa, anyatra, in other places. Also, kakara vihinat. Also, we have to leave the kakara. Nai samasa we should not take and kakara we should not take. In other places, etat and tat shabda, if it is there, su pratyayasya vyanjane pare samhitayaha vishaye lopaha bhavati. Su etat shabda and tat shabda. After that, supratyaya will get lopa when it is followed by hal pratyaya, hal. Like etat, we will take etat shabda. Etat is there. It is prathama purusha ekavachana pratyaya is what?
The pulling
Yes, pullinga.
would be saha.
Pratyaya.
Oh,
Pratyaya is to just
Sup.
those pratyayas. So etat is
I
there
thought.
and su pratyaya is there. So this etat become esha. Esha plus su. This sakara will get sasajucha ruhu, rutva and visarga by karavasana or visarjaniyaha. So here this sakara gets lopa. It won't get rutva and visarga. Esha, esha, that's all. But when it is followed by hal, the other letter should be hal. Rama, esha Ramaha. Esha Devadattaha. Like that. This esha supratyaya will get lopa when it is followed by hal. Is it clear?
హచ్చొస్తే విసర్గ ఉంటుంది.
Yes. అచ్చు వచ్చినప్పుడు if it is vowel, then either hashicha or bho bhago agho apurvase yoshi, any one of the sutra will apply. That's why sopi. So is there na? Like so p. Sopi is there. So here saha, it's supposed to be saha api. This is the situation. Here sakara did not get lopa, but it becomes okara. So, and enga padanta dati this avagraha comes and api. So api, like that. That's why nowhere else we will see visarga. Either it gets lopa when it is followed by hal. Either it gets okara by either hashicha or bo bhago agho apurvasi yoshi or enga padanta dati. Any one of the sutras will apply there. Is this clear?
Yes.
एतत् तदोः श्लोपो अकोरणै समासे हलि. Here they have given saha karoti. But in sutra, they say kakaram vihaya. This visarga cannot get slopa here. Saha karoti. Here it gets lopa. Sa patati. Sa likhati. Esha karoti. Eshaha karoti. They have given clearly, word which does not contain a kakara is followed by su pratyaya, which is in turn is followed by a vyanjana. But they don't have mentioned anywhere examples. Here. This is not. I will let you know about the kakara. If there is an example and if I find, I will let you know. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.